Holla everybody, it's your girl Schree reporting for Schree TV. If you listened to the show, last night, I was in an uproar about the puppy piss stains on the, in the backyard. So, what I'm gonna do now is get some Dawn, and like somebody that does labor, I'm gonna go over each one with some soap, and then I'm gonna scrub it off. I just decided I'd bring you with me. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all might be not thinking like, is it that cold? It is a little bit chilly outside. And if you knew me in high school, you remember this coat. Holla. Look at that. Look. Okay.
Not that much. Dawn goes a long way.
Excuse me, camera person. Thank you, baby. Look. Okay.
Right.
See, I'm not asking for the moon. I'm not asking for the moon and the stars and the palm fronds.
You need like 2 little drops of that. That's all. Because I don't want all the bubbles in the pool.
Wait a minute. Look. Okay. I'm not asking for much.
Perfect.
Are you sure?
Positive.
Are you sure?
You don't do dishes. You have no clue about Dawn. What about that?
Okay.
Yeah,
this is the Price is Right.
That's what I was going to say.
You just won a stain of piss. Yay! Open the box. Please, watch out, walk around.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Who is that? Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at the trash can. And they have puppy pads. Oh.
Now you're going to start washing?
What about the trash can?
You rinse it off. Ain't like you eating out the trash can. Damn. Go get the water now.
No, I'm not going to get the water yet. Look. Really? Hey. You know what I'm saying? Notice the chair here. See it there? Thanks for the call. A doo-doo stain. Right there.
Yeah. I'll get you water. You gotta do this section first. Oh.
Now this. Pise non grande. Pise es grande.
Over there.
Get me fired up. Trained, you know what I mean? Trained dogs. I even went over here like this with the dogs. I said, come on everybody. Come on. Up here. We could pee. You know? I was like, look. You know? And like up here like, I told the girl though, I said, look. You can sit here and pee. Look. It's cool, right? Huh. You come down here. Who's that?
Your soap's on the tape.
I want to move.
Shut up.
Oh, did you see those bubbles? That's just dirt, right?
Yeah.
Okay, desert sand is okay.
Get your hose.
Alright. Alright, peeps. My back. Ugh. My neck. My back. I pussy just like that. What you say? I'm still smiling. Even though your dog pissed up my backyard. It's not an easy card. I'm gonna go get the water right quick, okay? You know what I'm saying? See, I'm not mad right now. But when my back starts hurting, then I'm gonna start bitching. Okay?
Close out so we can take another one.
Alright, this is Schree reporting for Schree TV. I'm about to go and get the hose and see if we can, you know, get all these pee stains off of the backyard.
Once you get the pee, you gotta get the shit. Say bye.
Bye.